2024 is going to be a great year for cruising. From exotic destinations to high-end cruising, there are some great trends coming our way. Ahoy travelers, it's Amy here to give you a glimpse into what to expect in 2024. After staying home due to the shutdown, many cruisers are choosing to splurge on their cruise vacations. Booking a bucket list cruise is one way that cruisers are choosing to go all out in 2024 because they don't want to miss out anymore. Travel agents are saying that many older cruisers especially are no longer willing to wait to get to those exotic locations. Not only are more people heading off to locations like Asia and the polar region, but some lines are offering new itineraries in places like Egypt and Crete, with new destinations being added to cruises like Oman, which is known for its stunning natural beauty, and Sri Lanka, which is famous for its tea plantations and ancient temples. Not only are cruisers splurging by booking cruises to exotic locations, but by trying out luxury cruise lines for the first time. Travelers are looking for high-end experiences that offer personalized services, unique itineraries, and top-notch amenities. Luxury cruise lines are responding to this trend by adding new ships, itineraries, and onboard experiences that cater to discerning travelers and those with some expendable cash. Travel agents are saying they're also booking more European cruises as cruisers from North America are wanting to expand their itineraries to new areas. River cruises along the Rhine, Danube, and the Seine are more popular than ever as cruisers want to really explore the smaller towns in a way that ocean cruising just doesn't provide. Plus, there's an intimacy and luxury that comes with river cruising due to the small size of the ships. Those who do choose international travel are booking longer cruises or even multiple cruises so they can enjoy more time exploring the region while abroad. Flights are expensive, and cruisers want to explore multiple destinations and get the most out of their vacations abroad. If I had the time, I would love to book a transatlantic, head over to Europe where I would do at least one ocean cruise and then one river cruise before heading back on another transatlantic crossing. Oftentimes, the cost of flights are as much as many transatlantic cruises, so you might as well enjoy the journey. Maybe I'll have the time for a holiday like that when I retire. Would you book a multiple cruise vacation like that if time and money weren't an option? Let me know. When booking 2024 cruises, travel agencies say that many are choosing lines that offer more all-inclusive options or add-ons. Lines like Celebrity, Princess, and Virgin are benefiting as cruisers see this as getting more bang for their buck. This is especially true for cruisers who would normally pay for multiple add-on packages like drinks and Wi-Fi. Look for lines to continue the trend of expanding the offerings available on board their ships. From specialty dining and working with renowned chefs to create unique menus, to new Broadway-style shows and high-tech amenities. Overall, the innovations in cruise ships for 2024 promises to make cruising more luxurious and entertaining than ever before. Over the last few years, most cruise lines have begun to focus on reducing their carbon footprint. Carnival's newest ship, the Jubilee, and Royal Caribbean's new Icon of the Seas are run on LNG. That's liquid natural gas, which is one of the cleanest burning non-electric marine fuels. LNG reportedly reduces sulfur emissions by as much as 99% and nitrogen oxide emissions by up to 85%. It also reduces greenhouse emissions by as much as an additional 30%. While there are several ships already using LNG, most of them part of the Carnival family, 2024 will be the start of many new lines joining in this change. Shore power is another addition that lines and ports are beginning to add in order to reduce emissions. Ships equipped with shore power are able to hook up to the electric grid and shut off their engines while docked if the port also has upgraded their technology to allow for it. While this move only truly reduces emissions if the electrical grid is run on clean energy, it does reduce the grime of unburned particles that you often see coming out with the water vapor from a ship's funnel. 2024 will also see some concerns for cruisers, but before we get to those, if you're finding value in this video, consider subscribing to the channel. Did you know that hitting that subscribe button doesn't cost you a thing? It really helps our channel out though, and it lets YouTube know that you like our content. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when new videos drop so you don't miss any future posts. I hope you already have your 2024 cruises booked because many cruises are already booked up or quickly becoming so. Not only are more people trying out cruising for the first time, more are planning ahead. Gone are the days where waiting to the last minute to book a cruise would guarantee you a good deal. If you know you want to cruise a specific ship or itinerary and you can't be flexible with dates and itineraries, you should book your cruise as soon as possible. Cruise lines use dynamic pricing, where the cost of a cruise will shift based on demand. Since demand is high, you can expect pricing to continue to rise. Just look at how much cabins cost on the new Icon of the Seas. The demand of getting on the biggest ship in the world, especially during those first few months at sailing, skyrocketed the cost of cabins to where they're almost that of a luxury line. Due to the higher cost of cruising, many are now considering off-season cruises to save money. You can expect more discussions around ports shutting down to cruising. Already, ports are either closing or are in the process of attempting to get government approval to shut down due to concerns around over-tourism and pollution. Places like Venice, Amsterdam, Barcelona, and even some U.S. ports in New England and Alaska have all discussed shutting down ports to all or some cruises. There is a possibility that 2024 sees these discussions becoming a reality. Good and bad, 2024 is destined to bring about changes in cruising. Which of these are you most excited or concerned about? Are you ready for more information on cruising? Why not stick around and check out this video and then come back for more information designed to help you have an amazing cruise. Have a blessed week, everyone.